Everyone, welcome back to Horsepower Obsessed. When I was up at Blackout Tinting getting my visor done, I had some more things planned that I wanted to do to the ZR1, but because of time constraints, I wasn't able to get them done. But now we're heading back up to get some more protection for the ZR1. Alright guys, so we are on our way up to Blackout Tinting. And I thought, while we're on our way, why not let you hear the Awwe exhaust a little bit. I don't know if you guys have seen the previous videos yet or not, but in my comparison notes, I think it sounds more perfected, more complete. But ultimately, it's basically a refinement. And it kind of gives it almost a flat plane crank sound. Big thumbs up to Awwe. It sounds awesome. Do it with the windows up here. I don't want to go too crazy with these fourth gear pulls. This was where trouble struck last time. But it does sound awesome. Anyway, we are about to pull into Blackout Tinting here in about 2 seconds. I'll see you guys there. And here we are, guys. We are at Blackout Tinting again. We're here all the time, right? I know, Josh thinks the same thing. But anyway, check out these cars. So he's got his Porsche up here, getting some work done for the 412 Rally, guys, which apparently Josh is gonna be a part of here soon. The Tesla getting full XPEL?
Yeah, full stealth rack. It's
full.
Almost done.
Very nice. That looks awesome. Look at that, guys. This is the Stealth XPEL, so no shine whatsoever. Mutes the stock white paint. Looks pretty cool. But anyway, we're here for something a little cooler than that. I'm gonna put some XPEL on the actual doorstep or sill of the ZR1. So for those of you who have a Corvette, you probably already know the sills get kind of beat up. Not from me, of course. I'm very careful getting in and out of there, but if I let anybody else touch that car, the first thing they want to do is drag their feet right along this aluminum piece that says Corvette. So anyway, I'm gonna have Josh cut me some XPEL pieces to cover this. And you guys have seen something like this before, but basically he goes in here and right there's the pattern for the door sills. I mean, look how awesome that is.
Do you want the painted part or just the metal part?
I'll take both if you can, but that's up to you.
Yeah.
So he's gonna give me mucho protectiono. Check that out, guys. Look how awesome that is. He's gonna print that out and we're gonna show you the process of actually getting it installed because he's the man and he's gonna do it. Before we do though, we get to see Robo Knife in action again. So stay tuned, guys. Robo Knife wants to show you what he's got. Here it goes, guys. This thing is gonna cut out that pattern. I don't know why, but this fascinates me. I have no idea why it's such a big thing, but I guess probably because this thing has a name. So when the machines rise up, make sure you call this thing by its name. That's so crazy. Why am I so wowed by this? Is it weird that I'm this wowed by this thing? Kinda. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that it's not just me thinking that. I know it's weird, but it's awesome. Oh, and that's it. So Robo Knife works fast, guys.
What's up, everybody? This is Justin, Horsepower Obsessed. Door sills on my door.
These are the two guys of the hour. They're gonna double team this thing. So tell us what we're doing, Josh.
So we're going to be installing door sill protection on the black part and on the, whatever you call this, Corvette kick plate, sill plate. So we have two pre-cut pieces to do that. One thing that's weird, you'll probably see it in the video, this dries really odd for a while. And then once it's dry, it looks good. But it looks really weird while it's drying, so that's what we're doing. We're going to start by cleaning it up.
Awesome. So I've said it 100 times, guys, you can't have enough protection on a black car. And of course, the guys at Blackout Tinting are where you bring your black cars, or any car really, but black specifically.
You can see the scratches that already exist.
Yeah, look at that.
From that.
Unbelievable. And those aren't for me. I swear to God, those are not for me. I get into this car so unbelievably gingerly that everybody always yells at me, like, why aren't we moving yet? Well, this is why. I don't like to scratch up my car. Now I don't have to worry about other people doing it.
XPEL does not pattern every door sill. I wish they did.
Oh. So Corvette's one of the only ones they pattern.
Yeah. I don't know about one of the only, but there's a lot they don't have it.
Interesting. The driver's side's getting done along with the passenger. That already looks awesome. I love that it like erases the scratches.
Yeah, it does.
It's freaking awesome. So, since I know someone's going to ask, Josh, why don't you tell me the difference between the 2 bottles of spray you're using?
Oh yes, this is an alcohol mixture. This is what we call our stick solution. Whenever we spray this, we're trying to get the film to stick. This is our soap mix. This just makes it slide around, so this makes it easier to position. This sticks it where you want it once you get it into position.
Awesome.
You beat me?
Are you done? You're done? Wow, guys.
I didn't know this was a race.
The student has become the master. But yeah, to be fair, he didn't know it was a race.
Kind of like that.
I was just gonna say, I know the feeling.
That ZR1 loss to that Volkswagen.
I'm cutting that part out. No, I'm not. All right, so I'll show you guys the finished side.
I'm still learning. Be patient.
Look at this. Look, it actually even looks better. How's that possible? It looks, I guess that actually is normally more of a matte finish, maybe. It looks like it's punchier now. Like it's, doesn't it look shinier?
Yeah, it's usually satin.
Okay, it is satin. Okay, so that's why. This looks really awesome now. I didn't even know that that was going to be a side effect, but apparently putting XPEL on your stuff actually makes it look better. I'm down. Well, as usual, guys, fantastic work here. Quick work. I mean, I expected it to take a little bit longer than this, but they're good at what they do here. As you guys know, they do this on a daily basis, so that's awesome. Josh, thank you again.
Absolutely.
As always, they take care of me here. It's fantastic. If you guys need anything like this, check out Blackout Tinting here in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. They will make your product look that good or better, depending on what kind of car you have. If you have a Corvette, it will look that good. If you have something like a Ford GT or something that's an amazing looking car, it will look even better. So next thing, guys, since I'm here and we're getting what seems like freaking everything clear broad of some kind, I'm gonna have them do my license plate cover. So I actually got a new one to kind of hopefully darken it out a little bit more, because again, black car, black accents, can't really do it any other way. But this is what we're looking at here. So it's carbon fiber with a fairly dark lens in the middle. It's plexiglass, so it scratches really easily, and the idea here is to keep scratches off of the car. So I'm gonna have Josh throw a piece of paint protection on here as well. So at the end of the day, the entire car, minus the wheels, are XPEL in some way, shape, or form. And actually, even the wheels are, because the wheels have XPEL Fusion on them, which is the ceramic coating. So this entire car, even the glass, like everything has something XPEL on it. Is this the first time you've ever paint protected a license plate cover?
It absolutely is.
Yes! This is a first. Horsepower obsessed, guys. He has never expelled a license plate cover.
I did a prosthetic limb before I did a license plate cover.
That's awesome. So at this point, he can literally say he has expelled everything. Now, when I say everything, guys, I mean everything. They actually expel granite countertops now. This guy right there does the expelling of the granite countertops. And then next is the heat gun. I want to make sure that this stuff is baked down. It looks pretty good. I like how dark it is, and that's the big thing here. I want to try to mute this bright freaking white license plate that PA makes us have. So, plus I don't want it to say Corvette anymore. People know this is a Corvette. And lastly, we can't leave blackout tinting without getting some more of the blackout Chevy bow tie things printed. So we're gonna say hello to Robo Knife one more time. He's gonna print us 20 more of these things because you guys keep buying them. And as long as you keep buying them, I'm gonna keep getting them cut up here. So thanks again, Josh. You've been awesome. I appreciate all the help with everything today. And as always, guys, if you need any kind of help with XPEL or anything like that, you're gonna come right here to Blackout Tinting. Definitely check him out. And in all the excitement, I forgot to film an outro, guys. So right behind me here, you can actually still see Blackout Tinting. I am just now leaving because every time I come here, I have so much fun. I lose track of what I'm doing for YouTube and all you guys out there. So if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. I'm gonna have loads of content for the C7 and C8 Corvette coming very soon. Very similar to the stuff you just saw here today and more. You're not gonna wanna miss it. But as always, guys, I will catch you in the next upload.